The concept of halving is designed to control the rate at which new bitcoins are created and released into circulation. The goal of the halving is to maintain the fixed supply of 21 million bitcoins by reducing the rate at which new bitcoins are created and released. This helps to ensure that the value of Bitcoin is not significantly diluted over time due to the increasing number of bitcoins in circulation. The halving has significant implications for the value of Bitcoin in the mining industry. When the block reward is halved, the mining industry tends to experience a reduction in profitability, as the reduced block reward means that miners will receive less Bitcoin for their efforts. This can lead to some miners dropping out of the market, as the reduced profits make it less attractive to continue mining. However, the halving also tends to have a positive impact on the value of Bitcoin, as the reduced supply of new Bitcoins can lead to an increase in demand for the existing Bitcoins in circulation. The next halving is expected to occur in March 2024. However, it is important to note that the exact timing of the halving is not certain and can vary based on a variety of factors, such as the overall level of mining activity and the rate at which new blocks are added to the blockchain.